let's go back to Win-Win. Okay, I saw her sashing ceremony. My body is not perfect. I have a lot of imperfections, but I'm not a beauty queen. If you will pay attention to her body proportion, parang sobrang haba ng braso na abot na hanggang tuhod. Maigsi. As in, like, I don't know, hindi magandang body proportion ni Win-Win. She can definitely make rampa, she can definitely make aura, projection. But the end of the day, Diyosahan ba? Gorgeous ba si Win-Win Marquez? My answer is no. Nagiging mabenta ba yung ganda niya? Yung katawan niya, fighting form ba? Fighting form, it doesn't mean dapat fit ka. Fighting form, dapat you have talagang, alam mo yung katawan na talagang, wow, Malavina, mala Rachel Peters, na ang haba ng legs, ang haba, alam mo yun, body proportion. So dun pa lang, for me, when it comes to face card, decline na talaga tayo agad. Kay Win-Win pa lang. Kahit i-gorgeous hair mo pa yan, kahit ilang extension pang ilagay mo dyan, the face will still be like lapad.